Hey, let me show you how you can set photo as a watch face on the Xiaomi Watch S4. So first of all, you will have to grab your phone and simply go into watch faces. Now go to the custom one. And right now pick one of the following preset. Let's get, for example, the custom analog. So right now you will have to click apply to import that specific watch face into your phone, into your watch. And now we got edit button that allows us to actually add photos. So click right here and click on the plus. You will be redirected into your photos on your phone. I'm gonna pick, for example, this photo, click done in the right upper corner, then select the photo and just adjust so we can pinch out or pinch in to simply pick the specific part of the photo, click save, and now you have to go back. And as you can see right now, all you have to do is just to click apply, but for sure you can still customize it so you can change style of your watch. In this specific one, we got only analog, so we cannot change it, but we can change color of the watch face, like so, and we can just click, for example, applied, and as you can see now, the watch face has changed.